Hi, friends. For part 32 in our series on the Constitution, we're looking at the next section of Article 2 that establishes the presidency. And this section is the first part says that the president shall be the commander in chief of the Army and Navy of the United States. So, this is another example of how the spirit of the law interpretation is very necessary with the application of the Constitution in today's world, because it's specifically worded as the Army and Navy. It says nothing of the Marines, Air Force, Space Force, Coast Guard, none of that. But obviously, it wouldn't make sense otherwise. So we have to use this spirit of the law interpretation with the Constitution for application in today's world. The next clauses, this gives the president the power over the executive departments of the government. And then the next ones say that he shall have power by and with the advice and consent of the Senate to make treaties. So this one's very interesting because the whole concept of advice and consent is not well defined and has been debated since the very beginning. Like George Washington went to Congress one time and asked for advice and consent, and Congress basically sent him away and spent a couple of days talking about it internally. So what does advice and consent mean? But this other thing about the treaties establishes that the president has to initiate a peace treaty, while Congress is the only one with the power to declare war. Stay with me for the next parts and stay woke, Patriots.